Friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. Today, I've been promising you this video. I'm finally getting to it. We are playing with the stick-on eyeshadow applicators. This is going to be interesting. I have you zoomed in as close as I can get you. I have nothing on my face. I probably should have at least done some face makeup first, but I don't have anything on my face, nothing on my eyes, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to film this. I picked this up from Amazon for the nice price of $9.99. So you get all these applicators for $9.99, and it does come with a DVD, and the DVD was like in here showing you how to, I guess, put it on, but they have instructions right here. It's an easy 3-step process. So you get lots of different colors. Like this applicator is like a, oh, you can't see that. This one is like a bluish gray color. There's one that has like a purplish color. I'll show you close-ups of it. So basically it says, oops, I'm losing them. I'm dropping them. It says, I'm reading from what it says right here. It says, close lid, then raise your eyebrow to give a flat surface. Apply firm, comfortable pressure. And then for a different look, you can apply a second, oh, wow. For a different look, you can apply a second applicator of a different color over the existing eyeshadow to achieve a unique style. It says, tip, any user error can easily be corrected by blending with the applicator. Okay. And this is from Magic Beauty, spelled with a J, M-A-J-I-C Beauty. So we're just going to go in. So let me quickly read this. Close eyelid, then raise your eyebrow to give a flat surface for better application. So like this. And this is going to be tricky because my eyelid is very, I don't know if I should call it wrinkly, but it's kind of wrinkly. Like it's hard for me to get a flat surface on my eyelid. And then using both hands, hold the Eye Magic applicator firmly on the base of the eyelid for application. Okay, when applying comfortable pressure. All right, we're just gonna do this. So I wanna go for purple because purple is just my favorite color. So they come in these little plastic containers. And how do you get this open? Oh, there we go. So you just peel it just peels off. Peel off the plastic. I'm so excited to do this because I've never seen these videos. Like I've seen them on YouTube, but I've never watched them. Sorry, my bra is just itching me. Excuse me. I've never watched them, so I don't know like if this is going to be a fail. I'm hoping it actually works because how cool would it be if you could just stick something on your eye and then you'd have eyeshadow on? All right, so let's do this. It says close eyelid, raise your eyebrow, and then use both hands, hold the Eye Magic applicator firmly for 4 seconds. Okay, so 4 seconds. While applying firm, comfortable pressure, slide the applicator across your eyelid in the appropriate direction to achieve a sharp look. Oh, so you don't just take it off, you slide it off. So let's slide it off. Okay, I can't even talk right. Upon further inspection, it literally looks like I just put black, purple, white. Did I do that right? Was I supposed to go this way? No, you're supposed to hold it this way. It seems like the colors are backwards. Like, shouldn't the black be at the top? And then it's left all this mess, which you guys can see on the end. So, interesting. It says, any user error can easily be corrected by blending with the applicator. How is this my user error? I think this is just a product error. It's not a user error. So, all right. It says just blend with the applicator. Oh, that looks better. Kind of. I mean, it looks like a really, really messed up smoky eye. Reversed smoky eye? I did do a reverse smoky eye video like a year or two ago. I'll leave a link to it down below if I can find it. I mean, once you blend it out, it looks a little better, actually. Okay, applicator number 2. So I'm going to, let's try to angle it like this. Hold it down for, oops, I forgot to lift up my eyebrow. Oh well. Hold it down for 4 seconds and then wipe it off. There's no way, like, you can't just leave it like this. Like, that just looks crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, you need to blend this out somewhat. So I'm going to blend it out because it says just go in one direction and blend with the applicator. Right. Okay. Here's the thing. I think this is the first time I've tried something in a long time that I'm actually speechless. I don't want to say it's horrible. It's not horrible, but it's not good either. Like, once you blend it out, it does kind of look like something you could possibly wear. I mean, you'd have to clean it up a lot. I mean, a lot. I mean, I feel like the amount of work you would have to do to clean it up, you might as well just use a brush and put 2 colors on your eyes with a brush. Because you're going to have to spend more time just to fix this. But here's the thing. It's not horrible. It's kind of fun. Maybe for someone that's a beginner. I don't know. I feel like if you're a beginner, you should probably learn to do eyeshadow the right way. Because this is just going to kind of confuse you. I mean, it says you can put another color on top of one applicator. So let's try another one, okay? Because this can't... What in the hell is this? Can you guys see that? You can see it. It's kind of like cheetah print or something. We've got to do that. Why not? I mean, we've already got a reverse, smoky, weird eye look going on. Let's do some kind of cheetah print vibes. I'm all about it. Oh shoot, I'm messing it up. Why was I trying to peel it off? I was just filming my eye gel, my eye hydrogel eye peel videos, and I was trying to peel this off. I'll leave a link to this down below, to that down below. Let's try this one. Eyebrow up, press on, 1, 2, 3, 4, take off. That made it worse. What in the hell is that? It just put like white shimmery shadow everywhere. Let's try again. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't really see the cheetah print that was on here. You basically just see, it's just like a shimmery silver shadow. Let's try one more because why not? There's this greenish brownish shade. There's like green, white, and brown. That seems to be the running theme. So, I mean, it can only get better from here. Let's try this one. So, pull this down. Press down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's getting worse. You can't even really see these. Let's do it on my hand. Let's see what it looks like on the hand. Will it work on the hand? Let's see. Can you guys see that? Let's put it here. So press down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it off. So you can kind of see what it does on the hand. So it just layers the colors on top of each other, and then you just have to blend them out. And it looks very chalky. I do actually like that green shade. And what's interesting is, this is good, I'm showing it to you on my hand. What's interesting is that once you blend it out on the hand, they kind of all blend to one color. I can't. I've tried. I'm not gonna, like, it's not horrible, but I just think it's kind of gimmicky. And I feel like instead of doing this and putting the effort you have to put into to clean it up, you might as well just, like, take one brush, one eyeshadow color, and apply it to your eyelid the best you can. All right, friends, I'm done. I tried the best I can. I tried 3 different colors. You saw the green, the purple, the cheetah print. Here's the thing about this. I feel like it's a bit gimmicky because you put that on, you do it, and then as you saw, you really do need to work to blend it out, and I didn't even work to blend it as much as I could have. The purple one was the best one. I feel like if I would have worked to blend it maybe for like 5 minutes, I could have made it look somewhat wearable, clean up the powdery mess. It's very powdery, and I feel like if you use these, you're not teaching yourself the proper way to put on eyeshadow, because this isn't the proper way. This isn't something you're going to use forever, you know? Like, I would much rather, especially, I feel like this could be cool if you're a beginner, but if you're a beginner, I would much rather just take one eyeshadow brush, one eyeshadow color, and just practicing getting that on the lid, or maybe a crease color and then a lid color, and practicing blending those together. And you would spend less time doing that than putting this on, blending it out. And I don't think you can just use the applicator and blend this out. You need to use your finger, a brush, something to blend this out. They're really powdery. I mean, it's just rubbing off so easy. I definitely don't think this would be long wearing. So it's fun. It was cool to try, but will I ever use it again? Absolutely not. I actually will probably return this because I have Amazon Prime, so I can return things for free, because I told you guys, I don't care if a product is $1, $5, $10. I have no problems returning things, and I can just drop this in the mail because I know I'll never use this again. It was fun, but I'll never use it again. If any of you have tried this, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like it? I'm gonna actually watch some videos on this. I wonder if there's anyone who actually really likes these. I want to hear other people's thoughts. So that's it for me on that. Let's jump into some product reviews, and I'm going to do some product reviews with this crazy ass makeup on, because why not? Why not? First up, this product right here. I actually just filmed a full review video on it where I demo it, I try it out, I leave it on for 10 minutes, I tell you my thoughts. I really like this. I'll leave a link to that full review video if you want to check it out down below. These are the Skyn Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. They feel great. They make your under eyes look nice, plump, and they're very, very moisturizing. So thumbs up for me on that one. Next up, I had a swatch of this on my hand earlier, but I washed it off. This is the Touchy Clat Neutralizer from Yves Saint Laurent Beauty, and this is in the shade number 1, Apricot Bisque. So it says that it conceals, neutralizes skin tone color imperfections. Bisque visibly diminishes dark circles and spots. This is the packaging. You guys know I love YSL Beauty's packaging. Just gold, very chic. This is what the color looks like. Let's swatch it up here. I'm actually going to go do my makeup now, so I'm going to put this on. I'm worried it might be, look at how pigmented that is. It might be a little too light for me, but I don't care. I'm going to try and use it under the eyes and see how it looks, and then I'll put my concealer on top. I really love the YSL Beauty Radiant Touch Touchy Clat, so I have a feeling I'm going to like this. It feels really comfortable, very pigmented. I love a good pigmented concealer, so I'm really excited to try this. Next up, you guys know I love this bad boy. I've been talking about it for a month. This is the Jergens Nourishing Honey Dry Skin Moisturizer. I always want to call it something else. It's basically a lotion, and it's amazing. It smells like honey and vanilla. It says that it has orange blossom essence, but what I smell is like honey and vanilla. Oh my god, this is my favorite Jergens scent I've ever tried. I really love it. Super moisturizing. Look at me, I'm just smelling it without being greasy, and it's affordable. I'll leave a link to it down below. We also have, well, I've told you guys about this bad boy. I featured it in my best of the best beauty products of 2017. If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. It's a long one, but there are some goodies in there. My favorite eyelash eyebrow serum is the Rapid Lash Eyelash Eyebrow Serum right now. Well, it's my favorite affordable one. There is one that I prefer over this, which is called Revitalash, but it is very pricey. It's $90, but it is amazing. I'll leave a link to both of them down below. But if you're looking for a more affordable version and you have like short stubby lashes like I do and you want them to grow, this stuff is awesome. It works. I don't know how it works. I don't know if that's like magic in a bottle, but it works. Cosmedix, I talk about this a lot. I talk about this brand a lot. This is the Cosmedix Deep Moisture and Firming Hydrator. Love this stuff. I told you guys lately my skin has been not so much oily, but more so combo. And this has been moisturizing my skin, making my skin feel really soft and supple without being super, super greasy. I really, really like this moisturizer. it for me, friends. I hope you enjoyed this eye look. I feel like I could just slap on some liner and lashes and be good to go. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the videos on the screen. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you soon. Bye.